Joshua Quesada, a student of Michael Trimble, who is a highly esteemed vocal educator and has claimed to have extensively studied Caruso. Michael Trimble is over 80 years old now, and I express my respect for him. However, I do not take him as an example. He possesses many excellent techniques and has studied a vast amount, but there is a fundamental mistake. He has not fully understood the correct way of singing, particularly regarding the distribution of sound and where it should originate from. Let us take a look at his disciple, Joshua Quesada, who, as it is said, passed away from cancer a few years ago, to whom I extend my condolences. Michael Trimble called him the most outstanding young tenor. His voice is entirely distributed in the oral and nasal cavities. He has breath support from the lower chest, but how should we refer to him? I call him an 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock tenor. Is this Caruso's method of vocal production? There is no breath support from the lower abdomen, the pharyngeal cavity, or the area below the rear diaphragm. He only uses 1/3 of the body's resonating chambers. Is this Caruso's vocal theory? No. This is an issue with his teacher, Michael Trimble, whose own voice is also focused in the 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock range. Let us compare Quesada's low and high notes with Caruso's. Do you hear any similarity? Quesada's voice is entirely concentrated in the oral, nasal cavities, and forehead. How can he express deep emotions this way? Caruso's voice, first of all, is very natural and unpretentious, without any artificially enhanced resonance, and his high notes are full of passion. Utilizing his entire vocal range, I suggest that the great teacher Michael Trimble listen to this. Will he realize that there are issues with his vocal teaching